Welcome to my channel. If you're using Signal and recently changed your phone number, there's a built-in feature that lets you update it without losing your chats or contacts. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to change your phone number in the Signal app quickly and easily. First, open the Signal app on your phone. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, tap on Account. Here, you'll see the option that says Change Phone Number. Tap it. Then, tap Continue to begin the number change process. You will now be asked to enter your old phone number and your new phone number. Make sure both numbers are correct, then tap Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your new number. You'll receive a code via SMS or phone call. Once verified, your Signal account will be updated with your new number. All your existing messages, profile, and groups will remain intact. And that's it. You've successfully changed your phone number in Signal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.